Now let's double check and add ruler and guidelines to our document. To double check if the document size and everything is okay, you can go to image and select image size and see if everything is as you intended at the beginning. Now we set 1080 and 512 and 300 as resolution. This is good. We can click OK. Now if you want the ruler, you can go to view and click rulers to enable the rulers. You can use the ruler to see the size as well, but here we are going to click the ruler and drag down to bring the guideline. As you can see, it snaps into position as it reaches the center of the document. Now we can drag a guideline from the left ruler as well. If you want to keep the guidelines, you can do so, otherwise you can just undo to get rid of it. If you decide to remove the guidelines after a few steps, then you can just drag it out of the canvas or the design.